All right, 2015 Tesla Model S. So when you turn the steering wheel, it's making some clicking noise from here. Also right here as well. So this is the steering rack. That's your inner and outer tie rod. Alright guys, so I figured out what's causing the noise. So I thought at first it was something inside the steering rack, but all I did is I loosened up this bolt right here and that bolt right there. So those two bolts, loosen it up a little bit, and go ahead and turn it, Bernard. You see it's kind of moving now because the bolt is loose, but that noise is not, it's not clicking anymore. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two bolts off and lubricate it, and that should fix the that annoying clicking problem. All right, so I loosen up this bolt. What I'm gonna do is I sprayed some WD-40 in it, and it's probably best to just put grease on it. This is like a ball joint grease. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the whole bolt and lubricate it, put it back in. Same for this one, and that should fix the that clicking noise. So another thing I forgot to mention is before you start lubing it up, what you do is you loosen up these two bolts first and then turn the wheel, see if that noise goes away. All right, go turn it, Bernard. All right, so you don't hear the creaking sound anymore. So yeah, this is what it sounds like. This is how it should sound like. So that is it. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.